Hello guys, allow me to introduce you to a unique trading platform known as Maxcointrade. Here I'm gonna show you how you create your account. First you create your account, it's easy. I already created my account, so all I have to do is log in. As you can see, this was my earnings so far. The company trades with your capital and offer you 5.5% daily for 52 days. It's legit. I've been with them since 2019. So let me show you how to deposit. First, you click on deposit. As you can see here is a starter plan which offers you 5.5%, and here is the business plan which offers you 6.2%, and there is a gold plan, the diamond plan. But here I'm going to click on the starter package. Click on invest. It will take me to the next page to input my amount. Then I click on submit. Here you go. You copy the company wallet address and make a deposit. It's automatic confirmation, so you'll be confirmed in less than 30 minutes or so, I guess. So here is how you withdraw. You click on withdraw funds. Input the amount you want to withdraw. Input your wallet address and click on submit. As you can see, these are my withdrawal of $500. It's still showing pending, and here also are my previous withdrawal all paid. So let's wait a bit, okay? I'm sure I'll get paid on this one as well. Hello guys, welcome back. Just 75 minutes to be exact. Just got my payment in my blockchain wallet. As you can see, it's displaying paid here also as well. So get started guys, sign up, start earning. You can earn from referral bonus, also copy your referral link from here. You earn 8% referral bonus. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.